Christian.
2 heats for the boys in both Division 1 and Division 2.
It's amazing. I'm watching my son on the screen.
See all the way at the end?
It's right there.
Ah.
See the competitors setting up right here.
Go, buddy. Go, go, go. Come on. He's boxed out. Full start.
Third red flag. If you can get it down there in time, we're going to reset the field here.
Huh.
Reset it right here. Let's get you introduced. We have Alvaro Bayer from Trinity School. Motor Skill from Veritas. Michael Sawyer from Covenant. Tony Atienza from Roanoke Catholic. Christian Lyman from Highland.
There he is.
Kristen Menard from Roanoke Catholic. Riley David from Hampton Roads. Dominic Muscatel from Banner Christian. Avery Cronin from Hampton Roads. Benjamin Dodson from Christ Chapel. Jonathan Wenger from Banner Christian, and Eli Stoll from Eastern Mennonite.
Hey, try this again.
Wait to hear from everyone else. Get ready to go.
Amazing taking on this one.
We're still waiting for the word to come down that the track is clear. And I don't think that they have made that call yet.
Here we go.
I say that, they make the call, and they are underway.
Christian's way in the back. Is he going to be able to go for it, man? Go, 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 go.
Bunch up right there.
Yep. Go, 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 go.
As they come on down the back straight.
There he goes. Come on, man. Go now. Good, Christian. Go. He's in fourth. Oh, he didn't do the time. Darn it. Go, Christian. Go, go, go.
And right now that is looking like Alvaro Bayer from Trinity School, currently all the way out in front and pacing the rest of the field.
Come on, Christian. Go, go.
Good look at kind of how the difference is at the moment. And Bayer looking pretty good as he comes on down. Doesn't look like that there's going to be anyone that's going to be able to stop him. Bayer comes across and takes the first heat. As we see the other competitors come across.